Do you have trouble drawing faces? Do you get really annoyed when you can never get them quite right? Well, it helps if you get all the bits in the right place to start with. And here's a surefire way of doing it. Draw a face map. Now, start by drawing a very light egg shape in pencil first, and then draw a line that goes across the middle of the egg shape from side to side, and then a line that goes from top to bottom, again dividing that egg shape in half from side to side. And then use this as a guide to drawing in all the bits. Just draw the eyes on the line that goes from side to side, and draw the nose and mouth on the line that goes from top to bottom, like that. And there you have a face map where all the bits are in the perfect place. And you know, a lot of people make the mistake of drawing eyes too high up on the head. Well, actually, they should go on this halfway line, halfway down the head. And when you've drawn your face map, you can use this as a guide to putting all the bits in perfectly. Okay, watch this. Let's start on the eyes. There we go. And now the shape of the nose, just the bridge of the nose and the nostrils at the bottom. And let's just make the mouth a little bit bigger and give it a bit of a smile, I think. And then the ears, put those in just about the same level as the eyes. And then the shape of the face and the chin, and then the neck, and put some hair on the top of his head. And there he is, all the bits in the right place. And when you've done your face, you can rub out the pencil lines on your face map. And there it is, a perfect face. And as long as you get all the basic bits in the right place, the eyes on the line that goes from side to side across the middle, and the nose and mouth that go on the line down the middle, then you can do almost anything with the face and it'll look right. Watch this. See what I mean? Try it yourself, a face map, and draw perfect faces every time.
So, you just draw an egg shape with lines that cut it in half, top and bottom and side to side. Position the eyes, nose and mouth on these lines in the right place. And you'll have a face map that you can use to draw the perfect face.